Hello again, and welcome to the Retirement Coffee Talk podcast with Charisse Rivers and Zinnia Wealth. Online, of course, you can find us at zinniawealth.com, ZINNIA wealth.com. There is a button on our website. It says Contact Us. And if you click on that, you can scroll down and you'll find a place where you can ask Charisse a question. And that's exactly what Olivia has done today on our radio show.
This question comes from Olivia. And this is what she says. Hello, I am a widow on a fixed income with a small amount of savings. So this won't be the sort of inquiry you normally deal with, nor do I know if you will take the time to help understand these circumstances. However, I do have family members that have financial resources and that this could be relevant for them. This is my question regarding how to cope with the coming economic collapse many are predicting, as well as the prediction that Social Security will collapse, the government wants our IRAs, etc. People are being advised to put their money out of reach investing in gold. My question is, for example, if you put your money into gold-backed investments, how do you buy gas and groceries with this stuff? Does that make sense? Question mark. No one has addressed this, and I would love to know your answer. And Miss Olivia, I'm so sorry to hear about your loss, whether it comes recent or it's been a long time. But living as a widow or even a widower, it's tough because you're on one income. So I can definitely see your concerns. And so, but this is really a two-part question because I have to ask you, are you looking for protection with growth, or are you looking for income? Because what is gold supposed to do? You know, it's supposed to go up and the markets go down and grow. So that's growth. And a lot of people feel like it's a good protective thing to have in your portfolio. But if you're looking for how I'm going to pay for the groceries and the light bill and the gas at the gas pump, you're right. Gold is not an investment that's liquid. It's not an investment that pays a dividend. So you're right. How do I go buy some coins, put it in my lockbox at home, and then sell it at the right time if all prevails? And so I would recommend you not do that, especially if you especially have a limited savings. That would really be the last place I would start looking for investments. People who have maybe more saved, I tell my clients, if you want to go take 5% of your portfolio and go buy some gold nuggets and put it in your safe, just don't buy it with your IRAs. Keep it close to you, because the reason why people are buying gold is they want bartering, they want to make money, they're scared the market's going down. So it's an inflation hedge a lot of times, right? But when we're limited and we're just more worried about, how do we keep up with inflation and paying the next light bill and grocery bill, I would look at other types of income sources so that you can be very, very diligent on income. You should be looking, in my opinion, I don't know your entire status, but if we only have a little bit saved, I would look at something that would actually produce you a paycheck, no matter if the market goes up or goes down. Doesn't matter what president is here. It doesn't matter what the interest rate environment looks like. It doesn't matter what inflation looks like. Something that's going to continue to pay you a paycheck for the rest of your life. It's kind of like a type of a pension. So that's something I would consider. But I will tell you what I do personally in my office with clients. And depending if you have a more passive portfolio or a more active managed portfolio with us, we will sprinkle gold inside these portfolios in and out. We buy gold when the dollar goes down, right? When the market crashes, gold historically has gone up, but that's not always the case. And it's not always the case that it stays up, right? So that's more the active side of the management style. And, people who do buy a gold index through us, you're buying it because you're hoping for growth, and eventually you want to take some checks off of it. So then we send you checks monthly based on the index, the gold index to be exact. So it's a very open-ended question. I think it's a wonderful question because, Olivia, you are probably not the only one thinking like this. And it doesn't matter how much money you have. People are concerned about inflation and how they're going to continue to pay gas and groceries and prescription drugs because inflation is rearing its ugly head, and we're having to deal with the mess that the government has put upon us, unfortunately. And the biggest thing is, we're here to encourage you to come in and see us. And, you sent this question to us, so I would implore you to call us. We have a few advisors that would take the time to really figure out the best balanced approach for your situation and show you all the different asset classes we have besides just gold and just bonds.
Well, many times on the show, we talk about all of the things that get in the way in retirement, and we've had plenty of that. I mean, we've got at, as I said, taxes and volatile markets and inflation and interest rates, all these different things. And what is the answer to all of it? Many times the answer is a good income plan. You can solve a lot of problems by having a good paycheck in retirement. That is job number one. So we would love to have that conversation with you, Olivia. We would love to have that conversation with any of you who are listening today. Give us a call or go to our website, ZinniaWealth.com, ZINNIA Wealth.com. There's a gold box there. You can click on that. We'll ask you to put in a little information, and our team will reach out to you. Or you can call us at 833-368-3680. 833-368-3680.
Thanks for listening to the Retirement Coffee Talk podcast. If you have questions or would like to begin the process of building a tailored retirement plan, call Zinnia Wealth at 803-368-3680 or find us online at ZinniaWealth.com.
Charisse Rivers is an investment advisor representative of Zinnia Wealth Advisory, LLC, a registered investment advisor. Exposure to ideas and financial vehicles discussed should not be considered investment advice or recommendation to buy or sell any financial vehicle. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Investments can fluctuate and when redeemed may be worth more or less than when originally invested. Financial professionals are not licensed in all 50 states. To find out if Charisse Rivers is licensed in your state, please contact their office. Zinnia Wealth Advisory, LLC is not affiliated with nor endorsed by the Social Security Administration or any other government agency and does not provide legal or tax advice. Annuity guarantees rely solely on the financial strength and claims-paying ability of the issuing insurance company. Any client experiences discussed during this show are unique to that client. They are not meant to imply or suggest you will experience the same results. By contacting us, you may be provided with information about insurance and annuity products offered through Charisse Rivers, NPN Insurance License Number 8718011.